When your smile lights up the room, it's like a sunrise after rain, washing away all my doubts and fears. When your laughter fills the air, it's like a gentle breeze in spring, making my heart skip a beat. And every time we talk, I find myself getting lost in this feeling that I can't explain. It's like a dream I never wanna wake from, 'cause you're the one I've been waiting for. This is what love feels like, a rush of joy that never fades. This is what love feels like, when you know you're exactly where you should be. This is what love feels like, a story written just for us two. This is what love feels like. Let's make forever our beginning. You have a way of looking at me, like you see right through my soul. And in your eyes I see a world where everything makes perfect sense.